Second half action now. Coach of the National Under-23 team, Donovan Dookie, says their pursuit of qualification for the 2020 Olympic Games will hold significant importance to Jamaica's future World Cup ambitions. Jordan Fort reports.
Following an $8 million investment by the Jamaica Olympic Association, the nation's Olympic football team began their training and development program earlier this week. Head coach of the team, Donovan Dookie, says the program shouldn't be taken for granted because of its importance to the national senior program.
The program is not just an ordinary program, and I'll tell you why also, because it mirrors the senior team. What we are going to do at the under-23 level will have to be the same thing at the senior team. So in an eventuality, if the coach look at the under-23 program and he wants 6 or 5 players to make the transition to the senior team, they will understand the system of play, how the operations go at the senior level, so it's also important for that.
Acting Director of Football with the Jamaica Football Federation, Welnel Downswell, also sees the link between the two programs.
The fact that, as I can recall, during the 1998 campaign, when we just missed out on qualifying for the 1996 Olympic, likes of Nandi Lowe and Fabian Davis, Gregory Messam and Honors Donald Stewart. They then after that formed an integral part of the national senior unit, and of course that is history that we qualified for the 1998 World Cup itself. We'd like to replicate that, but one step ahead. We'd like to go one step ahead of that by virtue of qualifying for the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo, and that is what we're looking forward to.
Alex Marshall is one of the young players who the team will pin its hopes on.
I think it's really good to get the bond, to learn more about each other every day over a 2-year period. So I think it's a wonderful thing what they're doing now, putting a team together for 2 years.
The Kingston College pair of Fabian Grant and Javane Brown have also recently received senior call-ups and are part of the National Under-23 team.
Well, yes, we can definitely get it right, because I noticed it's not until 2020 the World Cup, or as I said, the Olympics. So during that time we can come together, we can form a camaraderie, we can form a chemistry, and by that time we know each and everybody playing style.
And Brown has ruled out complacency creeping into his game, despite the fact that he is already a part of the senior squad.
No, you cannot take it for granted, because as you can see, the national team have been using a lot of young talents. So I guess I have to just work hard. It don't matter which level I am, I have to just continue to work hard.
Meanwhile, midfielder Tevin Shaw also spoke of the honour of being given the opportunity to be a part of the programme to represent the country.
Obviously, it's an extraordinary feeling to know that you are a part of the national team. This is one of the most experience a footballer would like to achieve in his career. So I would just have to cherish this moment and just hope for better things going forward.
JFF and JOA executives met and spoke with the players earlier this week ahead of the activation of their training program. 50 players are currently in the pool for the training program, with the team set to begin qualification early next year. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.